Good day everyone, my name is Vince Gasmin, win na win sa puso natin, and let's talk about community health nursing. Now, in community health nursing, ladies and gentlemen, we will talk about school health, occupational health, public health, and the Department of Health programs, and also the CHN activities, CHN procedures, CHN methodologies, and the Department of Health dynamics and primary healthcare in the Philippines. So here are some of my references. And for more of me, you can follow me on these social media platforms. Number 1, which of the following statements is the primary goal of community health nursing? Letter A, self-reliance of the community. Letter B, enable every citizen to realize his birthright and longevity. Letter C, service rendered by a professional nurse with communities, groups, families, individuals at home, in health centers, in clinics, in schools, in places of work, and for promotion of health. Or letter D, to raise the level of health of the citizenry. What is your answer? If you answer letter dog, ladies and gentlemen, that is the ultimate goal of community health nursing. Eliminate that. If you answer letter C, that is the definition of community health nursing by Ruth B. Freeman. Letter boy, that is the definition of community health nursing by C.E. Winslow. The correct answer here is self-reliance. Pag sinabi nating self-reliance of the community, ibig sabihin na ilipat na natin ang knowledge, skills, and attitude sa individual, family, population group, and community. Specifically, community. Ano nga ba ang example ng self-reliance? Halimbawa, may pumunta sa atin na nanay sa health center, bit-bit ang kanyang, halimbawa, 5 years old na anak. At yung anak ay nilalagnat. Ano nga ba ang mga gawain natin, di ba? Para mabigyan ng tulong si nanay sa kanyang nilalagnat na anak. So una, pwede tayong mag-TSB or tepid sponge bath. Pangalawa, pwede tayong mag-increase ng water intake. Pangatlo, pwede din tayong gumawa ng iba pang cooling measures. So, pag sinabi nating self-reliance, ladies and gentlemen, ang tinutukoy natin dito ay tinuruan natin si nanay ng mga pamamaraan para maiwasan ang lagnat, pero hindi lang yun yung ginawa natin. Sa susunod na magkakaroon ulit ng lagnat ang kanyang anak, ay may kakayanan na si nanay na bigyan ng intervention yung kanyang anak na nilalagnat. So, isa lamang yun sa mga halimbawa ng self-reliance sa community. So, yun. Therefore, pag sinabi nating primary goal in community health nursing, always remember self-reliance in health. Self-reliance in health. Okay? Say that after me. Primary goal, self-reliance. Very good.